How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So as promised on today's video, we got another Cummins video lined up for you, and someone's finally back. Out of the last two videos, he wasn't here, busy working and hunting.
Oh yeah.
So you want to tell them what we got lined up for today?
Got the shackle hook off the old truck.
Oh yeah. Did do a little modification on the old bumper. I think there was two mini little shackles here and here, one on each side, and he cut them off without me filming because
unbolted them and then cut the inner so it would fit.
Yeah, but he was a little impatient and I wasn't around when he did it and I didn't get a chance to film it, so you guys missed out on that. So you can yell at him in the comments. A little impatient there, but we can quickly slap on the big old boulder. You want to do the honors of picking it up? Now he moves block all day, so that's probably like featherweight to him.
I like my lock on the left.
Is there a difference?
Nope.
He's got a nice little lock for it. I'll show him.
Two locks. Shackle lock, receiver lock.
So nobody can steal it, right?
Yep. There she is.
You got it?
Yep.
Was that cap just a little thing to keep the dirt out of there?
Oh yeah.
Well, that really adds to the look.
Oh yeah.
Does that take off of your gas mileage at all?
Who knows?
So we got the shackle on. That was a very quick install. I think we're gonna wrap up the video here. Nah, I'm just kidding. That was really short, to the point. Got something else planned for you guys. We're gonna attempt to fix that third brake light up there. I know a lot of you have commented in the tail light install video. I'll leave a card up in the top corner. And a lot of you said it could have been the cargo light switch inside the cab. We're gonna take a look at that. And we don't think it was on in the first place because the stock light wasn't on. And we're thinking a circuit might have tripped or something like that, but we're gonna take a look at it. But before we do that, I just wanna give you guys a heads up. Stay tuned to the end of the video because Nathan's not paying attention right now. But in the last video, we announced the giveaway. In this video, I'm going to reveal the details of how to get entered and how to win. We started a new Instagram called the Chem Crew. I'll leave the @ down in the bottom corner. And you guys should go follow that, and that'll explain the details on how to win. And I'll also talk about it at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Any comments? Go follow them.
Go follow that puppy.
Yeah. So we're going to take a little peek at this third brake light here. Because I don't know if you guys saw that video, we just kind of put it in there and didn't have it plugged in. See if it still lights up when you plug it in there. Yep. See, you plugged it in and it lit right up without the truck being on. But I'm gonna take a look at the cargo light switch. Let me know if it turns on and off. You got a switch right there. Anything?
No.
Nothing.
No.
Roll it all the way down and all the way up. They're still on?
Yeah.
So, not sure about that. So, cargo lights are still on. Tried a combination of rolling the switch on and off with the brake light on, and it's just not doing anything. I read on a few forums online that some people transferred and like re-spliced these wires, the red ones, I think, whatever ones go to the cargo lights, and swapped them and re-soldered them together, and that seemed to work. And then I also read that some people used a resistor, because some people said when you transfer from the stock bulbs to LED ones, they have that constant draw of energy and they just stay on because it doesn't really require a lot of energy, but it's still pulling, and that resistor kind of cuts that out. So we might go something along the lines of that, but what do you think? Just gonna unplug it again?
Oh yeah.
And re-put it in there. So whenever we do figure out a solution, we will be sure to update you guys, because it would be cool to actually get this working. Because as of right now, it's just for looks, right?
Yep.
There she goes. Back to normal.
Yeah.
Well, back to normal, but not working normal. We'll be sure to fix that here soon. Stay tuned.
Come on.
Why are you rushing me? So you can go inside and lay down.
Go down there.
Yeah, how do you think we're going to be filming videos in the middle of March when it's snowing? So, even though this video is kind of odd and we didn't get a lot done, we're going to give you guys a nice little cold start and maybe a few drive-bys. So let's fire the truck up right now. Hey, that was really smoky. I wasn't expecting that smoke to go right in my face. It blew right towards me. All right, guys, filmed a little bit here. Hope you guys enjoyed those rollers. Smoke blew right in my face when he revved it, but we're gonna head home and wrap up the video there. Don't you have running rails? Alright guys, back home. I think that's going to conclude today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Didn't do too much. Diagnosed some problems, still have to fix some. Got the nasty shackle hook on there. And just as a little side note guys, not sure if you saw when my brother parked his truck, but he also had a reverse light go out. And we'll be fixing that reverse light in the same video when we fix that third brake light, whenever we figure out that wiring issues. So we'll just be doing a taillight diagnostic video and getting everything squared away in a future video coming up here. And gave you some nice little rollers. Now, none of you can say that this thing doesn't roll cold, because I'm surprised my white shirt is still white after that. But I think we're gonna end it here. To follow up with the giveaway, again, me and my brother created the new Instagram. Go give that a follow, guys. I'm gonna be posting to it and listing all the giveaway rules in that post. And I want you guys to comment your shirt size on that post. You have to follow the Instagram account, subscribe to the YouTube, and leave your shirt size as a comment on that Instagram post to be entered in the giveaway. Completely free, and we'll do something nice for you guys. And it's more than just a shirt, I promise. We'll get together a nice little care package for you guys. Is there anything else you want to say?
Thanks for watching.
That's it?
Oh yeah.
Woo doggy.
Subscribe. Woo doggy.
Thank you for all the love and support. Growing very rapidly. Thank you for 4,000 subscribers. We passed that now, on to 5,000. And I think I'll just sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.